Hey everyone, so we just wanted to explain to you how to use the mood tracker, whether you have the 7-day mood tracker or if you went ahead and picked up the full version of the mood tracker, which is here, the daily mood journal. So what's awesome about both is that you will get a guided space to track your mood every day. We know that trackers are super helpful when it comes to your mental health. Helps us to find those patterns and triggers that may be affecting you that you just may not notice on a regular basis. So we have two versions, the 7-day version, and then if you're like, oh, this is great, we have the month version too. Both comes with prompts and exercises to help you identify as well as cope with negative thoughts and feelings. There's tips and resources. Of course, the monthly one has a little bit more, and the monthly one also comes with a coping plan and some other goodies too. So that's an awesome investment there. And it's also fillable, right? But either way, we wanted to just show you a little bit about what is included. So I'd go through that really quickly, and then I'm going to show you how to use it. So week one starts off with, okay, how do I track, right? So you got these nice little boxes so you can take a look at what's happening for the day. You could take a look at what you're grateful for. You can follow your water intake, look at how you feel. If you're taking medications, you could track that you're taking them. You can drop in how you feel, your energy level, your stress level, and there's usually a question there for you as well. So just again, walking you through what it looks like. There's space to do certain exercises like this one here, the 4-square breathing, which is meant to just help you take that moment, take that pause, and bring you back to a calm and centered place, right? And super easy. 4-square, we breathe in for 4, hold for 4, breathe out for 4, hold for another 4, and then repeat again. So easy exercises included with the tracker. Both of them have that. The full tracker has space for notes, and that is the mood journal, and also some pretty beautiful quotes. And it goes all the way through to 4 weeks, right? So you have that first one that's just for a week, so you kind of see what it's like, and you could decide if maybe I want to upgrade to the bigger one, or if you've got the big one, it's everything that's in the first one, but there's just a lot more to it, right? So now let's get to how to use it. There are two versions of the mood tracker. The 7-day one is not fillable, but this is what it looks like, right? So you can print it out, and day to day you can track how you are doing. And this is super important because we miss so many patterns, right? And it could probably take you less than a minute to do it. It's going to take me only about 3 to share it with you. But first we're kicking off with how to use it, right? And it's as simple as picking a point in your day, whether it's the beginning, whether it's the end of the day, and jotting down how you feel. Was it a good day? Was it a tough day? Was it a fantastic day, right? You can note those things on what are the things that you're grateful for. How did I care for myself? Did I take in my water? These are the types of things that's on here, as well as there's always a daily question for you. We check in on your energy levels, your stress levels, because these are the things that will give you information to help you out, right? So it seems pretty simple, right? And that's because it is. So you jot it down, whether you print it out and jot it down, or if you've got the fillable one, it's right on your computer and you can type right into it and save it, right? And again, if you're wondering the best time to do this, whatever works for you. There isn't a best time. It's any time. So don't get caught up in that myth of I'm too busy and I don't have time, right? It's either I do it in the morning, in the evening, or maybe I just stop midday, set an alarm, whatever works for you. The beauty of this, let's talk about the benefits in tracking your mood, is it's like a shining light on your emotions, right? It's self-awareness 101. When you understand your emotional patterns, you gain a compass for navigating life. It's like healing and growth in a nutshell, right? And guess what? It's not just about listening to the lows. It's about looking at your highs. It's about looking at moments of gratitude. Yeah, gratitude. And gratitude is important because it kind of keeps us more in the present. It can change the course of your day if you can really take the time to notice the good in your day. So we've got space for that. 3 things I'm grateful for. And maybe you can't hit 3, maybe you just need to hit 1, right? So whatever it is, get to it as you use your daily mood journal, or if you just have the mood tracker for 7 days, if you're using that, just track it. Either way, there's space for it. What's really cool, I think, or the really like the juicy part of this is the more you use this tracker, the more patterns you'll start to see. And you know what you can do with patterns? You can make adjustments. So if you're tired of like those daily spikes in your mood, in your energy, this is a great way to figure out, well, where's this happening? When is it happening? Was it specific days? Maybe I didn't care for myself well that day. Maybe I didn't get enough sleep that day. I didn't really balance out with exercise or get fresh air. And I can see because of that, my stress level was high and my energy level was low. So I can start to really look at, well, what's showing up for me consistently and what might I need to pull back on or adjust. Okay, so discover those triggers and learn how to avoid them. And it gets even better. You can bring these patterns to your therapist or counselor. So you can bring the same sheets that you printed out and talk about it. You can maybe share the document before therapy or while you're there. It just gives a whole nother level to the therapy session and experiences. They'll understand you better, can help you, and just this sense of awareness really helps your journey to accelerate, okay? So your next step, I think it's just to use the tool. Set up a reminder for yourself so that you don't forget. If you haven't already and you're like, ooh, I like the fillable one even better, feel free to grab yourself a copy of the fillable planner and dive right in. And you know, whatever happens, I think tune in, give yourself a chance, try to be consistent, and let us know how it goes too, right? So I am grateful for you and that you took a chance on your well-being. I'm also just grateful for the day. I'm grateful for just being able to serve, right? So that's how simple this is to fill in. You can put the date in here if you want to. What did I do to take care of myself today? I love going to the gym, so I actually went to CrossFit today. That helped. Actually cooking for my family. That was nice because we got to be together. I got to spend some time doing something that I do enjoy. And even though I had to do it between clients because it was a busy day, I got to do that and it helps me to feel good. So, you know, simple, right? Did I have enough fruits and veggies today? No fruit, but I did have some veggies, so we'll check that. Sleep, maybe not so much. Definitely hit that exercise. I did get some fresh air, right? We drank a decent amount of water today, so I feel like I can check most of these, right? But you see how it goes, right? And pretty good day for me, right? I would say my morning, I would say pretty consistent for me throughout the day. So again, we can see how it goes, right? Really simple, great tool. And you have the choice of just rocking it out for 7 days and seeing how that goes, or get the full planner, which has, I think it's like 54 pages. And you have the choice of just rocking it out for 7 days and seeing how that goes. Make sure to leave the information below. We just wanted to give you a view of what to kind of expect with both. And we'll give you the links to get a copy of either one. Okay? All right. Enjoy and let us know how it goes. Happy trekking.